Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Ducks Kingdom. So Manus has just released the production environment, so everyone can try that out for free. So you can see it does not need a invitation code anymore. So as long as you register the account, feel free to try Manus. They offer 1,000 credits. I'm not sure what does 1,000 mean, but the default credits are 1,000 credits. And you can click your settings to figure out what appearance you want, and also languages. So on and so forth. There's usage. For example, there's a credits for 1,000. You can upgrade to a paid account. There's account information. All right. So you can try it out. Like, they have a lot of the samples already, including the replay. You can see the replays boxes here, and also there are a lot of people are tried out with the space. You can view those. So again, so you can actually just click. For example, they have a community. They posted all the different deployment for Manus usage cases. So just scroll down the page, click explore more usage cases. You can find out all these amazing usage cases for Manus. So you can see also for some of the replay here, you can just click the replay and then just copy and paste the prompt to try it out. For example, if I want to try out this project, which is the mining project financial model in Excel. So what I'm trying to do is generate a mining project financial model using Excel, including all types of costs and description of their cost drivers. Right. So you can see for the replay, they have a pretty good result just for demonstration purpose. You can see this is basically Excel, and you can see from the Excel, they have a lot of different columns represents different analysis results, right? So it's amazing. It's actually directly show you this Excel page, not a like description or tags. It's actually an Excel you can download, so which is awesome. So let's try this example to see how many credits it need. So that being said, let's copy and paste this prompt to Manus. And you can try it, generate mining project financial model, right? So let's also make sure that it's standard. Do not use high effort. Probably beta needs more testing, but just use standard. Also, you can upload image if you want to upload images or files. So, but let's try this very simple example, right? So let's see how many credits it requires. So let's hit enter. Okay. Start planning and layout plan. Okay, let's click that. Okay, so this is working. Basically, it's trying to figure out the different steps in the process. So first, it will help you generate a comprehensive mining project financial model in Excel, including all types of costs and their cost drivers. It will create a detailed model that covers capital expenditures, operating costs, revenue projections, and financial analysis. Let me get started on this right away. So there are some tips. You can close it. So you can see it's exactly as in the replay. So you can see here, there's a replay, and you can see in the actual real-time processing, it is almost the same thing. So the replay is real. You can see here, there is a to-do list. So basically, this is a plan that was laid out. Right. So you can see first at the research phase, so research mining project cost component, capital expenditures, operating expenditures, revenue modeling approaches, production scheduling and ramp-up considerations, financial analysis, metrics for mining projects, research mining industry benchmarks and standards, identify key financial model assumptions. So there's Excel model development, create Excel structure and templates, and there's also develop CapEx section, develop OPEX section, finalization, review and test model, finalize documentation, deliver the completed model. So basically, they're researching the website right now. You can see here, first they have a to-do list, then they're searching the this thing. So which is mining project financial model cost component. So basically, they try to do the search, probably using browser search, just search the website, and they lay out everything in here, and they're starting the analysis for each website. So you can see research and mine project cost components with focus on OPEX, cost drivers from multiple sources. So still using browser, so still going through that browser use process. So you can see still browsing everything. So yeah, so it's actually if you click on the link, that will actually give you a more detailed view of what it's doing right now. So it's still scrolling down. So if you look at the steps, it's actually showing that Manus is working. So first step, right? So let's see. If you go to the to-do list, there's a to-do list, lay out the plan. So you can see here what step. So Manus is working research and mine project. So the first step, there's different sub steps. So yeah, so you can see here from the second section is Excel model development. So there's a create Excel structure and template. So basically it's still pending. So it's very nice. So you can see everything very clear what it's doing here. So and also for the first step, it is research and mining project cost and component, right? So this is this large task, which is the first one. So yeah, so the rest of the tasks are also laid out in here. So yeah, so it's basically exactly reflecting what is in the plan and what is the completion progress. So it's very nice. So let's scroll down a little bit. So what it's doing right now, it's still searching. Still searching. Yeah, so the first task is still going on here. It's probably take a lot of time if you actually go through the whole process. So let's see. Okay, let's see what exactly the process is. So if you let's go back, kind of close this. So okay, you can actually minimize it. So the first process is running, so you can create another task on the left side, so which is good. But this task is still working. So also it's very nice UI. Although like you can actually expand it to see the progress. Go to different tasks to see each task's progress. It's very nice. Also, there's a replay here. So what is going on here? On the right side, you can see everything that it has been looked into, and also you can see the steps along the way. So very nice. So you can see it very clear. So this is exactly like replay. So you can see the final result for the replay is Excel. So I assume that this is also going to be Excel for this task. So, but anyway, you can just go ahead and try it on Manus. I am for free. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one. So last but not the least, if you click the knowledge, so they can also add a knowledge base to it as well. So this is also very helpful. Anyway, so that being said, hopefully this can help you start your new project. Hopefully this is helpful, and see you in the next one.